DGFT Trade Facilitation Mobile App. Welcome everyone. Today we are introducing the DGFT Trade Facilitation Mobile App, a powerful tool developed by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade to simplify and digitize India's trade processes. Whether you're an exporter, importer, or trade consultant, this app brings essential services right to your fingertips. A DGFT Trade Facilitation mobile app is available for information on trade statistics, FTP schemes, and status of applications submitted for both Android and iOS. The DGFT Trade Facilitation mobile app is a digital initiative by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT, to streamline and simplify access to trade-related services and information. Here's a quick overview of what it offers. Key features of the DGFT mobile app: trade statistics, access data on India's imports and exports across various sectors and countries. Foreign Trade Policy Schemes (FTP), get information on various export promotion schemes like MEIS, SEIS, RODTEP, EPCG, Advanced Authorization, etc. Application Status Tracking, check the real-time status of applications submitted to DGFT. User-friendly interface, designed for both Android and iOS platforms. Notifications and updates, stay informed about policy changes, deadlines, and announcements. In this video we will cover following to have a better understanding of the app. Introduction, getting started, dashboard overview, application tracking, FTP schemes, trade statistics, chatbot assistance, help desk and support, additional features, conclusion. To begin, download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, log in using your DGFT portal credentials. Make sure your IEC Importer-Exporter code is linked to your profile for full access. The app is designed to be intuitive, secure, and accessible on the go. Directorate General of Foreign Trade app is ready. R. Real-time updates on trade policy. E. Enabling exporter-importers with ready EXIM data and policy. A. AI-based 24/7 assistance. D. DGFT's efforts for facilitating trade. Y. Your products, your dashboard. After logging in, you land on the dashboard. This is your control center. From here, you can track applications, view trade statistics, access FTP schemes, and receive important notifications. It's designed to give you a snapshot of your trade activity and pending actions. One of the most useful features is application tracking. You can check the real-time status of applications like IEC registration, Advanced Authorization, EPCG, and more. Just enter your reference number and get instant updates. No need to log in to the web portal every time. The app provides detailed information on foreign trade policy schemes like MEIS, SEIS, RODTEP, EPCG, and Advanced Authorization. You can search by scheme name or product category to understand eligibility, benefits, and documentation requirements. Want to analyze trade trends? The app offers access to import and export statistics by product, country, or sector. This is especially useful for market research, competitor analysis, and identifying new trade opportunities. Need help? Use the built-in chatbot Wahi virtual assistant to help exporters and importers, available 24/7. It can answer questions about policies, schemes, documentation, and even guide you through processes. It's like having a virtual trade advisor in your pocket. If you face any issues, the help desk section lets you raise support tickets, check FAQs, and access user manuals. It's a one-stop solution for troubleshooting and guidance. Other handy features include UDIN Unique Document Identification Number, Unique Identification Number UIN verification using QR codes or manual entry, and notifications for policy updates, deadlines, and application alerts. These ensure you never miss an important update. To wrap up, the DGFT Trade Facilitation app is a game-changer for India's trade ecosystem. It saves time, reduces paperwork, and empowers users with real-time information. Make sure to keep the app updated and explore all its features to get the most out of it. Thanks for watching the video. To view more such insightful videos, interesting facts, and regular updates on trade finance, subscribe to our channel and share with others.